This is Hurricane Irene being very disrespectful. She's blowing trees everywhere. She has rain flying north, south, east, and west. My balcony is drenched. You know, she is really performing today. But luckily, we're just getting the end of her show and not the beginning. So if you're not going anywhere, please stay put at home because it's very dangerous out here. Be very cautious. And if you do have, and if you do have to go somewhere, just be careful. As you can see, the trees are just dancing. Ooh, look at that. Oh. Let me get back in this house.